Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a master bedroom and bathroom clean with me video. My room is a hot mess. This side is my husband's, and then when we come over here to this side, that's my side. Yeah, it's a mess. I'm the messy one. So I definitely felt like I needed to get my room together because I don't think me or my husband can live in that too much longer. So I'm just starting off by clearing off my bed. Oh, and me and my husband just got a Sleep Number bed. Let me know what kind of beds you guys have in the comments down below. I'm really loving my Sleep Number bed. We tested out so many mattresses, but this works for us because my husband likes his side a lot firmer than I like my side, so this works.
At you all night, put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night, put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know, you know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful. Going crazy, oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know, you know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.
Okay, you guys, so this basket of laundry that you guys see me folding is actually just a small fraction of the laundry that I actually have. The mountain of laundry that I have downstairs in my laundry room, my daughters, they're responsible for putting their own laundry away. I just fold it for them and I'll put it in a basket, and then they're responsible to come and get it and put it away, just to give them some sort of responsibility, even though I feel like I'm still doing all of the work.
You're beautiful.
Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh,
Okay, you guys, so I actually didn't start cleaning my room until about 5 p.m. So that's why you guys see it start during the day and then it transitions to nighttime. I just had a lot of stuff going on that morning into the afternoon. And I also had to take some breaks to feed the kids and help them with homework. So yeah, you know how that goes.
As great as breathing, filling the spaces within. Running around, are we there yet? Music is not where we all met. Just you and I. Oh, let's freeze time. Gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime. Soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I. Just you and I. Just you and I.
Okay, you guys, so this is the master bathroom. It is not horrible, but I definitely wanted to clean it before it got that way. This bathtub I usually use just for my toddler. It's easier to give her baths in here versus their bathroom. This is my side of the sinks, and it's a lot messier than my husband's side because he doesn't have to do much to get ready because he's a man. So yeah. And then my shower, I hate the way the bottom of the shower looks. There are like these disgusting looking black mold like stains at the bottom. If you guys have any suggestions on how to get them out, please leave them in the comments down below. I haven't tried everything, but I'm open to suggestions. These are going to be the cleaning products that I'm going to use in the video. I have a microfiber cloth, my slippers that I use when I mop, and then gloves. And then I also have this vinegar and dishwashing liquid mix. This cloth I use with my Sprayway glass cleaner, which I love. My toilet bowl cleaner. And then I have the Method squirt mop for the floors. The scrubbing bubbles I use in the bathtub to get it nice and clean. And then I have this Method foaming bathroom cleaner I use to spray the sinks. And this daily shower Method spray. And then I have Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. It's lavender. I use it inside of the sinks.
I reach out in the middle of the night, screaming on my mind, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. Love's too deep. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in?
Okay, you guys, so I just noticed right here that my husband smashed a bug and left it on the glass. Why not just clean it up? It's been there for days. That's disgusting. Do any of you have husbands who do stuff like this? Doesn't it just, get under your skin? I hate bugs. Gross.
Move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life.
Okay, so here I have Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, the baby unscented one. And I use that with some really hot water to soak my daughter's toys because she likes to put them in her mouth in the bathtub. So I have to make sure I clean them regularly.
Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never say goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more of my life. Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Oh, hey, yeah. Oh.
I've been working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day off duty, just to show you that my love is real. Do you even care when I stay? Oh, baby.
Okay, you guys, that's it for today's video. My master bedroom and bathroom are all clean now, and so now I get to relax and enjoy the rest of my nights. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to comment in the section down below and let me know what kind of cleaning products you guys love to use on your house. I'm always looking for new cleaning products, so I would greatly appreciate that. And until next time, see you later.
For you.